Hey guys, today I have the May Glamour jewelry box for you guys. This is a subscription service for jewelry. It's $29.95 a month. They do send me this for review purposes. They also give me a coupon code. It's for your benefit. I don't make any compensation whatsoever. If you want to use it, down below I have all their information if you're interested in this. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this with you guys. They went back to their normal packaging in April. We got more of a purpley box, but for May, they went back to their just normal box on the outside. So first thing in here is the little card, and here they have all the different pieces that they have and the total value. So this month's box is valued at $75. So it says, let's kick off summer. So first thing in here it says is a drip rhinestone necklace. That's $25. So as always, it comes in a little velvety pouch where you can either store it or travel with it. And I think that this is the necklace, and as you can see, they are individually packaged. So you could keep them in this or even gift it if you wanted to. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so it's just a simple little necklace with different little rhinestones that drip down. And that's what it looks like. Oh, that is so cute. Obviously with my uniform it doesn't look right, but that is super cute. I like that. I like the fact that their pieces are always really simple and something that you can use with a lot of different things. Next thing in here is, and this is worth $25. Number 2 is crystal statement studs, and this is worth $28. And this is what they look like. That is super cute. I love that none of their things are like super bulky or heavy. I'm gonna go ahead and just put these in. Also, if you don't actually have your ears pierced, then I don't think that you would, you know, cater this, because most of the earrings in here, or all the earrings that I've received, are for pierced ears. So that is what those look like. I think they look super cute. I think obviously for like a fancy night out or something like that, but they're super dainty and cute and not heavy. And then the last thing in here is a delicate bracelet for $22. So this one's in a little baggie. And oh, that's cute. It's just 3 little rhinestones in the middle. So if you were to put this on, hopefully, crap. Okay, so I've been fighting with this, but I can't put it on because it's a clasp one, but I do like the fact that you can actually tighten it significantly enough for me to actually be able to wear it with any issues, because I do have a really small wrist. So it's just very simple and dainty, and I would need my husband's help to actually put this on, but that's super cute. I like the fact that it has the setting that you can either expand it or like really put it on tight, because people with smaller wrists, I feel like we always have issues with bracelets. So this is what came in the May box. I think that it's super cute. Let me know what you guys think. What are your opinions? Are you excited for this month's box? I'd love to hear back from you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.